Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix your sound issues that you've been having on your Samsung Smart TV, and if you have low audio or no audio at all. Now the first thing you want to do is simply restart your TV and then unplug it from the wall outlet for at least 60 seconds. And if that doesn't work, let's go to menu and then go on down to sound and go to the right, and then go to spdif output right here. And try switching the audio format to PCM, especially if you're using an external speaker or soundbar. Maybe this will help it work right here. Then we can go back and go to speaker settings right here and just see your speaker selection. If it's set to TV speaker or external speaker, make sure you're selecting the correct one. Otherwise, you may not be hearing the audio because of that reason. Then we have auto volume right here. Automatically equalize the volume level when switching to another channel. You could try turning this off. Maybe the auto volume is just making it very soft and it's not loud. Now let's go back under this menu. We could try resetting the sound settings right here. Simply reset it. Then if that doesn't work, we can go all the way down to support, go to the right, and then go to self-diagnosis, and then go to reset. And factory reset your TV. And you will have to type in 0000 for the pin right here. That's the default pin. Once you do this, it'll reset all your settings. And sometimes this will actually help the audio work. And lastly, make sure your TV is not on mute. So if I press the mute button, you will see a mute symbol over here. So if that is on your screen, you won't be hearing any audio. Or maybe your soundbar isn't turned on properly, or it's not connected via Bluetooth, etc. Try using the speakers on the TV just to see if the audio is the issue on the TV or the soundbar or external speaker. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.